Good afternoon. Myself Shubhashree Sathe, taking chemistry in 9 to 12. I would like to share my experience by using the integrated flat panel system. So before using IFL and now we are using the integrated flat panel system, so it would become quite easy just to explain all the three-dimensional figures. Before integrated flat panel, we are using the board using chalk duster, and it was very time consuming within a stipulated time. Nowadays, we can show all the three-dimensional images also. And the most versatile part of this integrated flat panel system, that is, we can show the mechanism and three-dimensional structures to the students. Before, we have to draw the x-axis and y-axis within a stipulated time of 45 or 50 minutes. So, quite difficult to explain all the questions or activity related with the mechanism. Now, it would be more and more convenient in theoretical parts and as well as in practical approach. So, before explaining any practical, we just take the chalk, duster and all. But now, we can show directly to the student that how to prepare solution, and immediately by showing the all activities through this integrated flat panel, and directly we perform activity in our lab. So, this is now a modern era just to show the integrated flat panel, work on the integrated flat panel system. So we can interact with the student by showing direct images on the axes by using this pen. Then videos are there, then any question or queries asked by the student, so we can solve immediately on the board. So we can say that the integrated panel system is now very useful for all teachers as well as the students. So we can say that the maximum work within a minimum time efforts, or maximum work with less efforts. So I thanks to Ramakrishna Mission Schools, I thanks to principal, I thanks